AI isn't coming for your job. It's already here. Every single week, there's another headline. Workers replaced by AI. Entire roles automated. Companies cutting staff. And while most people are starting to panic, a small, quiet group of people is profiting. Today, I'm going to show you how to be on the right side of this massive change, because this isn't a future problem. This is a right now opportunity. Let's be honest with each other for a second. AI doesn't care about your degree. It doesn't care about your years of experience, or how long you've been doing something a certain way. It only cares about one thing: efficiency. Jobs that are based on repetition, on doing the same task over and over again, are disappearing. It's already happening. But at the same time, jobs that require critical thinking, adapting on the fly, and genuine creativity are not just surviving, they're becoming more valuable than ever. This isn't the end of work. It's the end of being unprepared for the new reality of work. Right now, most people are making one huge, dangerous mistake. They're asking the wrong question. They're asking, will AI replace my job? That's a question rooted in fear. The right question, the one that leads to opportunity, is, how can AI multiply my value? Think about it. History always repeats itself, just with new technology. When the internet first arrived, some people lost their jobs. Blockbuster video clerks, travel agents, newspaper classifieds teams. But others built entire empires. Amazon, Google, Facebook. They didn't fight the internet, they leveraged it. It's the exact same story, it's just happening at a much faster pace. Ignoring it is like trying to ignore the tide coming in. You can stand there and get swept away, or you can learn how to surf. So here's the truth that nobody really wants to say out loud, but everyone needs to hear: AI won't replace you. A human who knows how to use AI will replace a human who doesn't. That's the real threat. AI isn't a sentient worker who wants your job. It's a tool. It's the most powerful tool for productivity ever invented. And just like with any tool, from the hammer to the computer, the people who learn how to control it and wield it effectively will always be in demand. They will become the architects, the strategists, and the creators of the next decade. The choice is whether you want to be the one using the tool or the one being made obsolete by it. So, how are smart people actually profiting from this shift right now, today? It's simpler than you think. They are using AI to create content like articles, videos, and social media posts 10 times faster. They're running entire businesses with tiny, lean teams because AI handles the grunt work. They're offering new, powerful services they couldn't possibly offer before, like advanced data analysis or hyper-personalized marketing. And they're automating all the boring, repetitive parts of their day, freeing them up to focus on what really matters: strategy, creativity, and building relationships. These people aren't all programmers. They're not tech geniuses. They're just early learners. And in any technological revolution, the early learners always win. Okay, let's get practical. Let's talk about 3 real ways you can start to profit from AI, starting today. First, AI-assisted skills. Take whatever you're already good at: writing, editing, graphic design, video production, marketing, and use AI to supercharge your output. AI can help you brainstorm ideas, write first drafts, create images, or edit videos faster. Your clients and employers don't pay you for the hours you put in, they pay for the results you deliver. If you can deliver better results in half the time, your value skyrockets. Second, AI as a service. The vast majority of small and medium-sized businesses have no idea how to use AI. They're busy running their operations. But you can learn. You can become the expert who helps them automate simple tasks like customer support inquiries, scheduling, or lead follow-ups. You set it up for them, and you charge a monthly retainer to manage it. You solve a huge pain point for them, and you build a recurring revenue stream for yourself. Third, content and education. The fastest way to become an expert is to teach what you are learning. Document your journey of figuring out AI. Start a YouTube channel, a newsletter, a blog. Share your experiments, your successes, and your failures. In the AI era, where information is abundant but clarity is scarce, attention becomes income. People will pay for your guidance and your unique perspective. Now, just as important is what not to do. Whatever you do, do not wait for permission. Don't wait for your boss or your company to create an AI training program for you. Don't just hope that your job is safe. And most importantly, Do not ignore AI just because it feels new, complicated, or uncomfortable. Discomfort is the price of growth. Comfort is the fast track to becoming irrelevant. In this new world, adaptation isn't just a good idea, it's profitable. Stagnation is expensive. In the AI age, the idea of a career is changing. It's no longer a ladder you climb one rung at a time. It's a toolbox. The more tools you have in that toolbox, the more valuable and irreplaceable you become. What tools am I talking about? The ability to use AI, absolutely. But also timeless human skills, clear communication, genuine creativity, and complex problem solving. AI can't do those things. It can assist, but it can't lead. The goal isn't to fight against AI. That's a losing battle. The goal is to partner with it, to make it your co-pilot. You provide the direction, the strategy, and the human insight. AI provides the speed and the processing power. That partnership is unbeatable. Look, every major technological shift in history creates two distinct groups of people. There are those who complain about the change, who resist it, and who ultimately get left behind. And then there are those who capitalize on it, who see the opportunity within the chaos, and who use it to their advantage. I will make some people obsolete. That is a fact. But it will also make other people unstoppable. And the difference between those two outcomes is not talent. It's not about being the smartest person in the room. The difference is action. It's about who is willing to learn, adapt, and start building today. So yes, AI is replacing jobs. That part is absolutely true. But it is also creating a wave of opportunity bigger than anything we have ever seen before. The question isn't, will AI take your job? The real question is, will you learn fast enough to profit from it? If this video changed how you see AI, even just a little bit, subscribe for more real conversations like this. The future isn't waiting for you to be ready, it's already here.